not experience hair loss. You have no idea. Oh my God, chat. I'm so glad I'm going to bed after this. Why the fuck does this shit keep popping up, man? Please get me off. Just fast forward, bro. Just let me see what the meat look like now. Show me the meat, man. I shouldn't have asked to see the meat. I shouldn't have asked to see the meat, bro. Why did I ask to see the meat, man? It's going down and down with the money. Be strong. I'm not gonna be able to eat something like okay, so this is my meal itinerary for the remainder of the week. I plan on having those salmon patties tomorrow for dinner. And then come Wednesday, full nice breakfast, some other shit, nice dinner. And then I'm gonna have my sister make shrimp Alfredo. And I'm gonna just have it natural raw, the way she makes it, without adding anything additional to it. Thursday and Friday. And then I think I'm gonna do a dry fast again at the start of next week. I'm gonna do one time per week, and I'm gonna see where that goes. But I'm gonna do on and off with the whole water shit every now and then. We'll see. We'll see though. But I'm preparing to make food like this. I am. I'm preparing to make food like this. Not steak though. Not steak though. I can't eat steak every day. It'll be something more like chicken, like a different protein. Like, you know what I'm saying? Bro, that shit looks like, come on, man. You gotta like throw me some. What the fuck is that? Oh, he made a potato. I didn't even know that. My shit's salad, bro. I could literally just drool right now. You're stuffing the oh wow, that's an interesting choice. I don't know how I feel about this. Using the potato, like using the yam as a bun. Big back activities. You're not wrong. Hey, but I made that bed. I'ma lay in it. What are you about to toast the yam to make a sandwich? Or are you just gonna eat it bare? No, he's toasting it. Do I enjoy hiking? I don't hike. I run though. What the eggs got to do with this, man? Why you fingering it like that? Oh my god. Why is there you just gonna smack it on there like he just gonna smack it on? Okay. This is fat as hell. We just adding shit. Like, how are you? He slid it open. I want to see him take a bite. Because this doesn't even make sense to me reasonably. It's oozing. Oh my god. Bro, I get it. I'm not turned on. Stop, gang. I'm a grown ass man. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. I get it now. I get it now. You eating it with a spoon. Nice. I thought you was gonna take it from the sides and then take a yomp out that hoe. Bro, stop. I don't like this dude, bro. Whoever this is, man, we gotta, like, he gotta be stopped. We've been seeing him on and off for like at least a year almost, but it's like, dude, please, man. Like, what the fuck? Remember, he's the same dude that made this, by the way, Chud. He's the same dude. He's the same. That's not even what I'm talking about. He's the same dude who made this video right here. This is probably the greatest grilled cheese I've ever seen made on camera. Hands down. This is a classic video. And I'm not going to watch it because this will push me over the edge. This will 100% push me over the edge. If I've been safe this whole day or this whole stream session or whatever the case is, I have to not play this. I cannot do that. But I am going to screenshot it for when I do eat later, because I'm going to be thinking about this while I'm eating. I can't do the steak one. Bro, come on, man. Let me, what the fuck? Bro, like, oh my god, bro. I gotta go. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. I gotta go back. Yo, he popping up in the recommended now. Oh my god. He making tacos. He won't leave me alone. Stop, man. Please. He digging in it, yeah. He onioning it. He got beans on this shit. What the beans for? Making a mixture. Yeah, nah, facts, bro. Big bro at this point. He making dough, I think, right? Of course you are. Did you just put... Oh, for the yeast. I forgot. For the yeast. Yo, all you Corona niggas, bro, y'all gotta get the fuck out of here, man. When did y'all get here? please, man. Niggas making their own tacos and shit. Like, niggas weird. You're so weird, bro. Like, I get it. You know how to make a taco. You know how to make a soft shell. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. You know how to make them hard, too. My fault. It ain't just soft with you, gang. Nah, crazy, bro. Crazy works. OMG. Show them how it's done. Oh, yeah, nah. Make it stiff. Look at niggas, bro. Oh, shit. Nah, bro. You breaking it. You breaking it crazy. You just ruined one. What are you doing? Don't do... You don't think the spread a little thick? Here go buddy, man. I get it. It's cooked meat. It's still moist on the inside. You ain't got to show me every cut. He dicing it. He cubing it. Nah, gang, you him. Bro, please. It don't even have to be like this, man. Like, word, bro? This is what we doing? What the fuck, man? Be serious, bro. What the fuck am I watching? How are you even gonna close the top of the taco? You can't eat it like this. Five tacos from 3 or 4 slabs of steak. Greedy as fuck. That's not the sound of water, y'all. That's just me. Alright, bro. I dare you to close it. You can't even close it all the way, you greedy bitch. I feel like one of those, like, I feel like one of those, what do you call them? Drug addict niggas. I feel like I'm going through withdrawals right now. Click out? Yeah, you're right. I gotta click out. Might as well watch him finish it, though. I didn't even think he had a heart to put it back down. What are you doing? Why the fuck are you doing? Oh, he nasty as hell. He gonna wipe that on his pants like that? No napkin? Yeah, alright, bro. Nigga's mad weird. You got a ball spot coming in right now. I'm just saying, think about shit. I gotta go, shit. I gotta go. I can't do this no more, bro. Shit's getting harder. Shit getting harder and harder and harder, bro. At least I wake up tomorrow, you know. Still fucked up, but like it's all good. Nah, I'm chilling. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be straight. I'm cooling. I didn't do nothing to myself. I gotta get out. No, I'm seeing shit in the recommended that shouldn't be there, bro. Stop. Oh God. Shit not gonna end. Shit not gonna end, bro. Oh my God. What did I just see on my screen? Hold on, no. They just showed me cheesy garlic bread. No. Go back. Oh God. I will never look at anything else about it.
I think he's trying.
Bro, really? They just showed me that, and all right, bet. Yeah, I'm minimizing. I'm good. I'm good. My hands off the stick, bro. Many men, many men wish dick upon me, Lord. I don't cry no more.